Do you want to create your own grid or zone recovery trading strategy? Then this video is for you. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to show you a MetaTrader utility that enables you to create your own grid or zone recovery trading strategies. This program can even help you with taking trades or placing orders or managing trades. Let's get started. Now the program I was referring to is called ManHedger. This used to be called AdvantEdge, and I will have a link in the description below to this program. Let's initialize the program. First of all, you have to allow algorithmic trading, and algo trading has to be allowed here for the expert advisor to function. There are no important input parameters. The grid magic number and the martingale magic number are just magic numbers which can help in distinguishing trades between different EAs, and the short crawl and the long crawl is just for the display of different type of strategies on the chart. As you initialize the EA, you will see that there is a panel and the trade mode is active right now. We have three modes: the trade, zone recovery and grid mode. In the trade mode you can place orders or take trades easily and manage these trades. Here you can select your direction. You can select whether you want to go long or short. First you have the start price parameter. This is the parameter where the trade will take place or the order will be made. There is the stop loss parameter. This can be selected in level, in the percentage of the start price, or in points. For example, right now we have 79 points. We can change it to 150, or we can change the percentage to 0.1. We can display these levels on the chart using the display lines button. Here you can drag these levels and you can easily get to support or resistance levels or use important levels in the market. This is a very useful attribute of this expert advisor. The volume can be given in money, in lots, or in the percentage of the balance. Whenever we want to use money or in the percentage of the balance, it will automatically calculate a valid lot amount for us. This is, for example, 0.05 lot. We can enter there the magic number. This is not important at all. It's just to distinguish our trades. Whenever we hit open trade, a new trade will be made. If the start price was the ask, then a buy trade will be taken. If it was below the price, it will be a buy limit. If it was above, it will be a buy stop. The same goes with the short trades. With the close all button, you can close every single open trade and every pending order. With the close symbol button, you can close every open trade and pending order for the current symbol. One other thing that this EA can do is take recovery trades. Here is the take profit in money text box. Here you can enter how much money you want to make on a trade. For example, if you have lost $60 on the last trade, you can enter 65 here and you will recover from your previous loss. The way you do that is you either want to calculate the take profit or the volume. If you know for sure that you have a great take profit value right here, but you are not sure how much volume you need to make this amount of money, you simply hit the calculate button and it calculates the volume needed for this trade to make $65, at least $65. It also can work the other way around. So for example, if I'm saying that, well, I have one lot for this trade, but I'm not sure about the take profit level, we can hit calculate and well, here it is. This is the take profit needed for one lot to make $65. This is extremely useful if you want to use recovery trades and if you want to hedge on your trades. Now let's move on to the zone recovery mode. If you're not sure how a zone recovery trading strategy works, I have made a video about it. You can watch it right here. Now let's initialize the zone recovery mode. Here you can see that there are many parameters of this strategy. First of all, there's a start price parameter. This is where the strategy will start. The range, the start price plus the range will be the take profit of the buy trade, and the start price minus the range will be the take profit of the sell trade. There is a buy price and a sell price. Based on these parameters, you can display your strategy on the chart. Right now it looks like this. So whenever the start price is hit, two orders will be made, a buy trade and a sell trade, both aiming to make a profit right here. If it's a buy trade, if it's a sell trade, right here. Now this profit should be this parameter, which is the take profit parameter of the strategy. You can either give it in money or in the percentage of the balance. For example, $15. The volume can be one lot again. So a buy stop trade will be placed here and the sell stop trade will be placed here, both aiming to make $15 whenever the range is hit. The range can be given in price, in points, or in the percentage of the balance. You can here drag these levels on the chart based on your different ideas. For example, this was a support level, this was a resistance level before, or this one, I don't know. There is this range and this can be a strategy. The stop loss is the amount of money we are willing to lose on this strategy if it's not right. So how does it actually work? The main idea behind all this is that whenever we hit the buy level, we make a buy trade, and if the price does not go in our favor, so it doesn't reach the range, but it keeps going down, we are going to enter a sell trade, a hedging position, which will be much greater, with a much bigger volume than the buy trade, so we can close out with $50 profit at the end of the range. The only time we are going to lose is if the price hits the buy level, then it doesn't go up, it goes down again, it hits the sell level, and it goes back up straight to the range of the buy level. So this is extremely powerful strategy. The stop loss, again, can be given in money or in the percentage of the balance, but I recommend using a wonderful feature of this EA. Whenever you hit enter and the text box is blank, but every other information needed is given, it will automatically calculate a valid stop loss amount. Now this stop loss will be at the next trade level after we have entered our last trade that the EA was able to make out of this volume. So for example, if we can make two trades, we make a buy trade, it goes down, we make a sell trade and it goes up again, the stop loss is calculated right here at the buy level. Whenever you hit run strategy, you will see the informations of your strategy here displayed on the experts tab. You can see here that the amount of maximum orders is 2. This is calculated based off of the volume, the stop loss, and the buy price, sell price, and range. And you can see every parameter of this currently running strategy right now. Now after this start price is hit, there should be a buy stop here and a sell stop here. As you can see, some unnecessary volume disappeared here because one lot is not needed for this strategy. We have given one lot, so one lot was available, but it will not use one lot ever. You can select what you want this strategy to do after it closes out with a profit. If it closes out with a loss, it is going to stop the strategy, but if it closes out with a profit, you can select one out of 3 options. Either stop at close, which will stop the strategy completely, keep trading, which will keep the strategy running, so the next start price will be the bid after we close out with a profit, and a status quo, which allows you to run the exact same strategy as before, so the start price will be the same. Now if you want to, you can set the stop loss of your strategy while the strategy is running with the set stop loss button. Every information needed is going to be displayed on the expert tab. And if you want to see your currently running strategy, let's mess up everything. But if you want to see your currently running strategy, you have to reinitialize this layout, so the zone recovery layout, and the complete strategy is going to be displayed right here on the chart. Now let's run a strategy. After I hit the run button, the start price was instantly reached because the start price was the S. And as you can see, it made a sell stop and a buy stop. After one of these orders is made, so either the buy stop or the sell stop is reached, the other order will be deleted and a new order with a bigger volume will be made. So that's it for the zone recovery mode. Let's move on to the grid mode. So the third mode is the grid mode. First of all, you have to select the direction you think the price will take. You can select long only, short only. Long only if you think the price is going to go up, short only if the opposite is your assumption, and long short if you're not sure where it will go. And again, there is a start price. The strategy will start here. If long only or short only is selected, the first trade will take place here. There is a range. You can select price, points, or percentage of start price, again, same as before. There is a volume, available volume for the strategy. Again, you can select lots, money, but percentage of the balance. There is a take profit, again in money or in the percentage of the balance, and a stop loss, the same. And now here are the two important parameters again. The density is the amount of trades to be taken in the range, and the order step is the multiplier between the volumes of the trades. So let's display the strategy on the chart so you see actually how it works. So this is the range. These lines represent the levels where we will buy. As you can see, we have 4 as density, so there is a long trade at the start price, here, and at the end of the range. If long short would be selected, there were more lines because we would not take a trade at the start price, but place a sell limit and a buy limit order right here and right here. Sell limit here, buy limit here. And if the buy limit is reached, then we will delete the sell limit and open new pending buy orders at the next levels. If the sell level is reached, the opposite happens. The buy order will be closed and we open another 3 sell limit trades. If we increase the density, you can see that the more lines will appear on the chart. So the range is where you think the price won't go out of, so it won't break out the range. That's your assumption if you run a grid strategy. You can drag these levels again on the chart, same as before, everything as usual. And again, the EA can calculate a great stop loss, an ideal stop loss for you if you hit enter when the stop loss edit is blank and every needed information is already filled out. The stop loss will be right at the next buy level or sell level. So if the price doesn't go our favor, it goes down, we enter buy. We enter 7 buy trades and we should enter the 8th buy trade based on these price differences between these 2 orders. Then we will close out. That's where the stop loss is calculated, right here. So let me show you now how it works. If the ask is the start price and we click run strategy, I messed it up now. We click run strategy, 2 orders will be made, a sell limit and a buy limit. If the buy limit is reached first, then we delete the sell limit and we open new buy trades. If the sell limit is reached first, the opposite happens. So if long only is selected and the start price is the ask price and we hit run strategy, you can see that the first order is right here at the start price. So that's literally how easy it works. The EA will always check whether the take profit or the stop loss is hit, and if it's hit, it deletes all orders and closes out all open positions made by the current strategy. So if you run a zone recovery and the grid strategy, of course it can distinguish those trades because they have different magic numbers. You can do the same thing as with the zone recovery. You can select stop at close, keep trading, status quo. They mean the same thing. Stop at close means that after a profit we completely stop the strategy. Keep trading means that we will keep the strategy running after it closes out with a profit, and the bid price where it closes out will be the new start price, and status quo will mean that it will still run the strategy but with the same start price, so probably it will take some time for the price to get back there. In the grid strategy you can set the stop loss and the take profit too, so these two parameters both can be set with the stop strategy button, the same button as with which you can stop the strategy. As you can see, it was set to $15. Now I stop the strategy, every order is deleted. That's how easy and beginner friendly this program is. Zone recovery strategies are extremely powerful in trending markets and volatile markets. Whenever the price goes in a single direction, or it goes somewhere, you don't know where, but it goes somewhere, and it does not stay the same, it's almost 100% that you are going to win. And even if you use zone recovery strategy when the markets are ranging, you still are probably going to win, because this strategy is designed so that you are most likely going to win. But whenever you lose, you are going to lose big. So the risk-reward ratio of a strategy like this is not great. Grid trading is the opposite. Grid trading is advantageous whenever the markets are ranging and there are no clear trends. If markets tend to stagnate and go up a little and down a little and up again and down again, and there are no big movements happening without a pullback, you are probably going to win with a grid strategy. So you can take advantage of both type of markets. You don't really have to know where the price will go. You don't really want to know whether you want to go long or short. You just want to know whether markets are going to be trending, volatile, or they are just going to be ranging. That's really all you need to know with this program. Now, even though many people downloaded the EA, it does not get enough reviews. And that's why I have decided that whoever reviews my program after downloading it will get something for free. Now that's it for today's video. If you would like to be informed about new MetaTrader tools or programs, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching, hope you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Have a great day.